Hello, music appreciation students. This is Mrs. Brown, and in this short little video recording, I'm going to go over a resource to help prepare you for your interim exam. So on the course plan, if we go into April, the first week here in April, you will see that on April 5th, you will be taking your interim exam. The interim exam will cover the basic elements unit and the music time periods unit, those two units. So we did have a live lesson that we reviewed for the basic elements unit. Going back and reviewing that recording would help you definitely prepare for the interim exam. Now, if you go to the class homepage and then click on Help, Assignment Help Videos and Study Guides, and then open up the Music Time Periods unit, you will see an interim exam review. If you click on this link, what you're going to open is this PowerPoint right here. So this PowerPoint was created to use in a live lesson, and it's a game, but it will still help you prepare. So you can play the game with maybe somebody at your house, or if you're at a blended site, somebody there if you have the same class, or just use it for yourself. So these are the main things that you learned about in these two units and that we're focusing on in this interim exam review. So if you come down, this might look familiar if you were in class for our basic elements review, but you need to know the answer to this question right here. You need to know the dates for each of these time periods right here. So I don't have the dates listed, but that's for you to go find the dates. Here, tell me the names of the lines and spaces on the treble clef and the bass clef. If you've been using the study guides, this will be easy breezy for you. You'll actually have it already. Time signatures, tell me what these are called. I just told you. Tell me what the top number tells, what the bottom number tells us. And then we just keep going down each slide. What does the term Renaissance mean? Let's see, I skipped. Note values, being able to name and identify these. An identifying feature of music in the Romantic time period. Be able to define these, understand dynamics. Okay, so here's a list of composers. Which time period do they belong in? So you're going to have to go back into the reading and find all of these answers in the reading, not on Google. Articulation, what do these little markings mean? What does that dot mean? What does this slur mean? Find the answers there. Tempo markings, once again, lots of this is in that basic elements review, so go back to review that if you need to. And then last, an identifying feature of music during the classical time period. So that is the review for the interim exam. So go through, find the information from the reading, use the study guides from each unit. Those study guides are available. So here's the one for the music time periods unit. And then if we come back here, and you open up the basic elements unit, you will find the study guide here. So those are available. If you want to go back and access past recordings, remember, come to course materials and then go back down to recordings, and you'll have a list of recordings. So that basic elements exam review is right here if you want to go back to review that. So that is preparing for the interim exam in a nutshell. Low pressure, there won't be anything new. It's covering material that you've been assessed on previously. So feel confident, prepare for it, and you'll do great. If you have any questions, let me know.